Zion. What are you doing, Papi? What are you doing at daddy's bag? No. No. Well done.
God has so much grace. Glory to God. Messiah. God, give me someone. God has so much grace that with what you have, it doesn't have to take from someone. He can take and say, take more grace. He can give you more grace. And once you have, I'll just say, okay, what I'm doing that, let me just read you this. Go spiritually.